Welcome to the Brass City, welcome to excellence. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. Sagar Faldu and Mr. Dheeraj Lal Faldu, Maruti Brass Products has become a symbol of trust, precision, and innovation in the global brass industry. Welcome to Jamnagar, the Brass City of India, a city where molten metal transforms into precision, where tradition meets technology, and where innovation is crafted with excellence. Welcome to Maruti Brass Products, where we don't just manufacture products. We build a legacy of trust, deliver unmatched quality, and define precision engineering. Jamnagar, the brass capital of the world. For decades, Jamnagar has been the backbone of the global brass industry, supplying high-quality components to markets worldwide. But what makes this city truly special? It's the people, the expertise, and the commitment to perfection that has been passed down through generations. And leading the way in this journey is Maruti Brass Products, a name synonymous with precision, innovation, and reliability. Established in 1996, Maruti Brass Products operates from a state-of-the-art 10,000 square feet production facility, equipped with advanced machinery to ensure top-notch quality and efficiency. Craftsmanship and technology, the Maruti Brass Products standard. Perfection isn't just a goal at Maruti Brass Products, it's a way of life. Every component is a fusion of superior craftsmanship and state-of-the-art engineering. From selecting the finest raw materials to precision machining and stringent quality checks, we ensure that every product meets international standards. Our facility boasts a fully integrated manufacturing setup, including a brass extrusion plant, CNC turning center, forging facility, cutting machines, and marking machines. With these cutting-edge technologies, we achieve unparalleled precision in every product we manufacture. We serve a diverse range of industries, including automotive, aerospace and defense, electrical and electronics, plumbing and sanitary, oil and gas, HVAC, construction and infrastructure, and marine and aquaculture. Whether it's electrical fittings, automotive parts, plumbing essentials, or industrial components, our products are built to perform, built to last. Global reach from Jamnagar to the world. From small-scale workshops to large-scale industries, Maruti Brass Products plays a vital role in powering businesses across the globe. With exports spanning the USA, Canada, Australia, the European Union, Saudi Arabia, and other African and South Asian countries, our extensive supply chain ensures seamless delivery, making us a trusted partner worldwide. Wherever there is precision, there is Maruti Brass Products. Innovation and sustainability, the future of manufacturing. Innovation never stops, and neither do we. At Maruti Brass Products, we are constantly evolving, embracing new technologies, sustainable manufacturing, and customer-centric solutions. With energy-efficient production lines, eco-friendly practices, and globally recognized certifications like ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, we are not just building better products, we are building a greener future. With Mr. Sagar Faldu and Mr. Dheeraj Lal Faldu's vision, we continue to push boundaries, ensuring that every product we manufacture meets the highest standards of excellence and sustainability. Maruti Brass Products, crafted in Jamnagar, trusted worldwide. Because quality isn't just a promise, it's our tradition. Experience precision. Experience durability. Experience Maruti Brass Products.